Today's stations are going to be focused on the effect that force has on motion as well as gravity. So at one station, we're going to have a bunch of different objects such as a pen and a tissue. We can also have books and feathers, basically anything with varying weight. And so what the students are going to do is each student is going to choose one object, and then they're going to have to guess, do I think the tissue or the pen is going to fall first? So they're going to go ahead and on the count of 3, they're going to drop and test out their theory. So 1, 2, 3. So it was obvious there that the pen dropped first. So then they will on their sheet mark down that between a pen and a tissue, the pen drops faster. At the other station, we're going to be looking at forces in motion, and so I have a Hot Wheels car right here, but we can also use a ball. So what the students are going to be doing is they're going to see the effect that the amount of force that they put on that object, how far it's going to move. So if I would just really push it, it's going to move fast. But if I barely give it a little tap, it's not going to move as fast. So, if I wanted it to go to the same spot, if I'm barely tapping it, it's going to take a little bit longer. So this will allow the students to be able to look at how their effect, the amount of effort that they're putting forward is going to affect motion. And so then that can open up the conversation about this is what force does for motion and as well as gravity, getting to explore really what that looks like.